Scared that we can't see what we will find. Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside. In the fragile substance of my soul, and I have filled this void with things unreal. And although all my character is still, the darkness is your house, and don't you fail. You say that's exactly how this grace thing works. It's not any long more call that will change this song, but the welcome I receive when the restart. But you've gone too far this time. You have neither reason nor rhyme with which to take this soul rightfully mine. Sure, let's go.